Hello, I'm often asked what's better, pay-per-click or search engine optimization. So in this video, I'm going to give you my humble opinion as to which one you should be doing. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. Now, SEO or search engine optimization or Google Ads or pay-per-click, they're both different ways of driving traffic to your website, and they both work, and in some of cases they don't work. Now let's start with search engine optimization. That's the word for SEO, and it's a way to drive targeted traffic to your website for free. So when you type something up on Google and the organic links come under those main ads at the bottom, that's where you want to get ranked, and that's where most people want their websites to get ranked, to get the click to the website. The problem is the whole world wants to be on Google page 1, and there are only 10 spots for the page 1. So how do you squeeze yourself in on page 1? Well, you need to do search engine optimization. Now the problem with this is it takes a lot of time. You cannot set up a website and in a day or two get up on Google page 1 unless there's no competition or you're selling something which is very unique. The other problem with search engine optimization is a lot of people give up very quickly and easily, thinking that it's a waste of time and you're doing all this work with no results. It's like going to the gym. You will not get any results within a matter of days or weeks. It will take quite often months to get the results you want, to reach the level of fitness, lose weight or build up your muscles and stamina. So it has to be done on an ongoing basis, and the best way to get ranked in Google is to create good quality content on your website or blog. Just like I'm creating this video content right now, we will use it on our blog, on our social media, YouTube channel and so on. So you got to start attracting your visitors to your website with really good quality content, and that way you are going to separate yourself out from your competitors. The good thing right now is not many small companies and sometimes bigger companies as well don't pay a lot of attention to content marketing, especially video marketing, like I'm doing this right now. And you can really come up on page 1 on Google with your videos ranked straight away and very easily and quickly. Now let's talk a little bit about Google Ads or pay-per-click. That is, in my opinion, the fastest and the most economical way to start driving targeted traffic to your website. And I repeat this, it's the most fastest and the most economical and the cheapest way to drive traffic. Now you may disagree with me and say, well, Google cost per clicks are very high, expensive, and it does not work for my industry or niche. Well, it does for everybody as long as you've got a good offer and you are running a campaign which is very properly set up. Now with Google Ads, you can be up and running on Google page 1 within a matter of hours. So you don't need to wait a long time to get ranked on Google. So if you want immediate traffic, start with Google Ads. Now the reason why I say that you need to use both Google Ads and SEO is this. Now when we start running a campaign on Google Ads, we know which keywords convert and which ones don't convert, which ones are profitable and which ones aren't. So use those keywords which are profitable for your business to use for search engine optimization, because then you will know that these keywords do convert when somebody goes to Google and searches for your specific search term. Whether they click on your ad or in the organic rankings, the search term is the same. So this is what I would do, is to run ads for a few weeks or months, get those handful of good quality keywords. Doesn't matter if it's expensive, because the cheaper ones are expensive in the long run. You may find that the clicks are cheap, but they don't convert. So what's the point of driving traffic on those search terms? Go after the expensive keywords because they are expensive for a reason, and the reason being that they convert and they are commercially viable and profitable. And then use those same keywords for your search engine optimization. So hope this video helped, and thanks for joining in. And please share your comments as to what you do for your business, be it pay-per-click or search engine optimization or indeed video marketing. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye for now.